Jeep Renegade. The multi-lift, as you may know, is a multiple-purpose cordless lift designed around the unique concept that one lift solves all of your lifting and transferring problems. So the same multi-lift that we'll use to lift you into the passenger front of this vehicle could also be used to lift a wheelchair into the rear of many popular vehicles. The multi-lift also can be used to lift you into and out of your home in various locations, so into and out of the bathtub, onto and off of the toilet, in conjunction with a portable base to allow you to travel, to get you in and out of bed. But it doesn't stop there. We can also once we're up and off of the wheelchair, we're going to turn to face into the vehicle. Once we're high enough for the feet to go in, we simply guide the user into the vehicle. Lower until the head is clearing. Once the head's cleared, we raise. 0518, anytime until 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the U.S. and New York. And evenings and weekends, that's no problem. And daytimes, 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, at 615-873-0518. We look forward to hearing from you soon, and we thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video and learn a little bit about a new option. Have a great day.